What's up YouTube? I'm back at it again with another sneaker unboxing. Here I have an Air Jordan 1 mid. God knows what colorway this is. I just picked it up because it can fit on my feet and I can show you what it is. It's Air Jordan 1 mid. I picked it up from a Foot Locker or a Champs recently because your local Foot Locker and Champs has crazy sales because they got rent to pay. Here they are, yellow, black, white, red, all the colorways mixed into one. This is a mid. Of course, you know how I feel about mids if you watch all my videos through and through. Mids are for people that can't necessarily buy highs, I guess you could say, or don't want to. So a mid Jordan 1 is like a settling, you know, like that's just how I feel about them. Although I do believe they look pretty good. I can't lie, but I just feel like highs are better in almost every way, except they're more expensive. Air Jordan 1 trademark. Let me zoom in so you know I'm not dealing with fake sneakers here. Wings logo. Apparently everyone knows how to tell if a Jordan is real or fake with the Wings logo. I think that's a lot of nonsense, but it could be true. Gonna throw these on foot here in just a second. Let me grab the other pair. There is a StockX affiliate marketing link to get yourself a pair. The link's in the description. You might be able to find a good deal on StockX. I feel like these are going for around retail or maybe slightly less than retail. I got these for under retail. I think I got them for like 25% off at Foot Locker or 20% off. Anyway, let's check out how they look on foot, and you can let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I think this is a pretty reasonable colorway for Air Jordan 1 mid. Like, the yellow and orange are pretty flashy, but because it's combined with black and white, it's nothing crazy. And I think you can pull these off without too many people laughing at you, you know? Not that you should care what other people think, anyway. About your clothes, that is. Let's see how they look on foot. Before I get into that, you guys should check this out right here. It says Air Jordan on the sole. That's a pretty cool addition to the shoe. I think that's pretty cool. The other one says the exact same thing. Let's see how they look on foot. Get those fire emojis ready because on foot these are straight fire. Especially with this nudie denim. Check out the link in the description to buy nudies on Amazon. They look absolutely sick with sneakers. Especially if you get the lean Dean fit and you get a size that's a little bit too long for you so it stacks really well like this. Air Jordan 1 mid, what can I say? Like, as much as I hate mids, they do always look good. They do the job, if you know what I mean. They get you all the swagger of an Air Jordan 1 for like half the price, usually. Fire pair of kicks here if you ask me. Let me know what you think of them. Let me know what you think of them on foot in the comment section below. Great thing about Jordan 1s, they squeak. As you know, if you follow me or subscribe to me for a while, I'm a huge fan of sneakers that squeak. Pretty proper pair of shoes. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.